everybody. I'm Susie and I am with Fire Protection Services. I've been with the company for over 2 years now, and it is one of the most amazing places to work. It seems very complicated what you see behind me. And we try to make that easy for you to understand. We have some reporting systems where as soon as we do your inspections, you will automatically get an electronic notification of that. Should there be any deficiencies or any issues, we address that immediately so you don't have to worry about it. So check us out and give us a call. We'd love for you to be part of the FPS family. Thanks.